101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English learning program, Smart Up Your Life, with me, Rifa Majid, as your host, and also, as usual, with my several friends from BPC Makassar, because this program is the collaboration program between BPC and also Smart FM Makassar. So, here we go. Let me introduce my friends from BPC Makassar. Hi guys.
Hi.
So how are you?
It's good.
Okay, we have Mr. Achang here,
Uh-huh.
and also Mr. George
Yeah.
and Mr. Aswin.
Yeah.
All right, I am the beautiful one between you guys, and yes, we have a newcomer.
Okay.
Okay.
Brother.
Come in, please. Well, and we have Mr. Policeman, right? So, guys, smart listener, you can join our conversation tonight through our WhatsApp on 0811461011. Oh, and also, you can just write down your comment on our comment section on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Just watch our live streaming right now and you can join our conversation because tonight it's a special night and a special discussion, the special topic. We are going to know what's the value inside the song, the hit song, right?
Uh-huh.
So, before we are going and move to the topic and hearing the song, I will let my friend to introduce BPC first.
Okay, so maybe I'm also represent to introduce BPC. So hello smart listener, we are from BPC Makassar. BPC Makassar is or Benteng Panyo English Club is the oldest community in Makassar, especially learn about English. So actually BPC have one activity every Sunday, namely is Lovely Sunday Meeting, or almost people know that Weekly Sunday Meeting. So guys, what is the exclusivitas in this activity? Because first, it is free. Feel free to join. You can invite your friends, your family, and etc. to join with us in multimedia in front of Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. So we have 5 items in BPC itself. First is who am I? You can introduce yourself if you newcomer. Second, we have ice breaking. We can play games. I'm really believe you can improve your vocabulary because it is related with the English itself, this game. And the third, we have the ND, the debating and discussion. Don't hesitate, guys. If you new learn about English, you can using bahasa. It will be better if you combine. And the fourth, we have building skill. Yeah, we can learn about theory about English itself, like grammar, pronunciation, and etc. You can apply in the TOEFL, for example, and etc. And the last, we have announcement. Yeah, you can invite the participant to join your wedding party, and actually you can gain more information from the scholarship, for example, and you can give your information if you have. I think that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the explanation, Mr. Achang.
Okay.
And yes, I hope you guys, smart listener, can join their weekly meeting and improve your English skill with BPC Makassar, and also always hearing our conversation on Smart Up Your Life. Well, I'm going to tell you the topic tonight. As I said first, in the previous session, in the opening session, I said that we are tonight going to going to have a discussion about one of the best song, one of the hit song that hit top 10 in Billboard 100, and also this is the famous song all over the world, not only in Indonesia but also from the country where the song met, from the US and also England, right? So tonight we are going to discuss, and I don't know how to say, we are going to find what's the value inside the song, something just like this from the Chainsmoker and also Coldplay, right? Okay. Guys, I don't know. I don't know if you have prepared this song before, but from your point of view, when you see the title of this song, something just like this, what is inside your mind? How you define the title of this song?
Okay, maybe me. Okay, so actually, if we see in the title, I think this song it will explain about how we can become as a one person, which one, yeah, we have a lot of like a problem and etc. Yeah, something just like this, and I think it's very deep because this easy from this song is very deep for me because yeah, we know that as a young people we have a lot of problems. Sometimes we compare in our life between with the other family, which one it they will be better than me, and yeah, I think yeah, we have to learn from this song. I think that's all.
We have to learn from this song. So, what's the point to learn from this song? Let's be here first. This song, Chainsmoker featuring Coldplay, something just like this.